Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Charmi ma'am. Let's learn Unit 1, Standard 3, the word of flowers. Activity 1. Write the names of two flowers you like. I wrote rose and lotus. You can write whichever you like. Second one is talk to your friend and find out which flower she or he likes. अपने दोस्तों के साथ बातें करें और उससे डिस्कस करें कि उसको कौन से फ्लावर्स पसंद हैं. देन सी लिस्ट 5 फ्लावर्स बोथ ऑफ यू लाइक. आपको और आपके दोस्तों को जो दोनों को पसंद हो वो फ्लावर्स कौन से हैं उनके नाम लिखने हैं. आई राइट सनफ्लावर, मैरीगोल्ड, जैस्मिन, लिली एंड पॉपी. मूव टू द एक्टिविटी 2. Activity 2. Look at these pictures of flowers. Can you tell their names? Fill in the details in the table given below. You can see the pictures given here. We should write their names and its details. Okay. Move to the table. The first one is marigold और यहाँ पे first is marigold, second is lotus, third one is shooflower, fourth are jasmine, fifth is sunflower and sixth is white fringe. Here is the table. You can fill this name of the flower, where did I see this flower and what do I like about the flower. Let's look at these answers. First one is marigold. Where did I see? I see that in garden and I like their petals so much. Second one is lotus. I see this in pond and I like this color. Third one is shooflower. I see it at friend's house. I like that petals. Fourth are jasmine. I see this at my home and I like its fragrance very much. Fifth is sunflower. I see this at farm and I like its beauty. Sixth is red fringe. I see at garden and I like its color very much. Move to the activity 3. Activity 3. The magic garden. The magic garden was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigolds, poppies and pansies. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other garden and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were talking about the children from the school. I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all. I like that they bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots. Yes, you are right, Poppy. The children are good to us. They dig the ground so well. We love the little children. They are kind and they feed us. We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon. I will also help you, for nothing pleases me more than to see the children playing in the golden sunshine. Then the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. Oh, look at the tall sunflower. The sunflower lifted its head very proudly. I love the marigold in its golden dress. Marigold smiled happily. It was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. After a while, the fairies came out dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. The magic garden was quiet that night. The flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day, when the children would come again. Depend upon activity 3, you should answer of activity 4a. First question is, why did the flowers love the children? The answer may be, the little children care for flowers, so the flowers like them or love them. Second one is, what did the birds say about the little children? The answer is, the birds said that little children are kind and they feed us. Third question, name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. Answer may be rose, lily, lotus, sunflower, marigold, etc. Fourth question is, what sounds could the children hear in the garden? Birds and flowers are dancing and singing. Here are the 4 questions of activity 4a. Move to the activity 4b. Find out words or group of words which describe beauty of the magic garden. Magic garden की beauty क्या थी? Roses, poppies and pansies. Actions performed by flowers: dancing, singing and talking. Actions performed by children: digging, playing and watering. Move to the activity 5. There are some things that you have never seen in your life. How would you feel if you happen to see such things in your garden? Happenings and how would I feel? The first example has been given, flowers dancing and singing. And how would I feel? I would also like to dance with them. Second one is flowers talking to birds, and how would I feel? I would like to talk with birds. Third one is flowers dressing up in pretty clothes, and how would I feel? I would like to dress up pretty clothes. Fourth, flowers begin to sing, and how would I feel? I would like to sing with them. And last one is marigold wearing a golden dress. I would like to wear golden dress. Activity 6. Make a flower greeting card. Collect 5 flowers. Put each flower carefully between the pages of an old book or magazine. Place some heavy books on top of the old book. Leave it for some days. Stick the pressed flowers carefully on cards. Write 1 or 2 sentences on each card and draw a nice border. Your flower cards are ready. Display some cards in your school. मतलब आपको करना क्या है, एक फ्लावर का कार्ड बनाना है. पहले 5 फ्लावर कलेक्ट कीजिए, उनको पुरानी बुक या मैगजीन में रख के उसके ऊपर कोई वेट रख दीजिए. फिर ये जो फ्लावर्स प्रेस्ड फ्लावर्स है वो लेके आपको एक कार्ड में चिपकाना है और आपका कार्ड तैयार है. मूव टू द एक्टिविटी 7. Read this description of Yamthang Valley. Yamthang is a beautiful valley in North Sikkim. It is 3,500 meters above the sea level. It is home to many beautiful Himalayan flowers. Yamthang Valley सिक्किम में है. सी लेवल से 3,500 मीटर की ऊंचाई है उसकी, और वहाँ पे हिमालयन फ्लावर्स बहुत अच्छे अच्छे मिल जाते हैं। इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स, इसीलिए तो इसे वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स भी कहा जाता है। यमथांग वैली हैज़ ब्यूटिफुल ग्रीन स्लोप्स कवर्ड विथ ट्रीज। यमथांग वैली के जो स्लोप्स हैं वो ग्रीन ट्रीज से कवर किए गए हैं और ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स से भी कवर किए गए हैं। द रिवर फ्लोज राइट थ्रू द वैली, और यमथांग वैली के पास से एक रिवर भी बहती है। अ विजिट टू यमथांग वैली मेक्स द विजिटर्स हैप्पी। लेट्स सी इट्स पिक्चर। These are the pictures of Yamthang Valley. You can see its green and flowerful slopes. Use internet or library resources to find out places which are known for beautiful flowers. Share your information with your friends. Give names of flowers available in Yamthang Valley. ये बच्चों आपका होमवर्क है। आपको मुझे कमेंट करके बताना है कि आपके आसपास ऐसे कौन से रिसोर्सेज हैं जहाँ पे ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स पाए जाते हैं, और यमथांग वैली में कौन कौन से फ्लावर्स हैं, ये नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा। Move to the activity 8. Imagine you have a garden. What would it look like? Draw a picture here. I paste a picture drawing here. You can make any of this as you like. Complete this paragraph. Based on your drawing, you should complete this paragraph. I wrote like, this is my garden. It is very beautiful. I like to grow roses, marigolds, poppies, jasmine, etc. in my garden. I like to water my plants regularly. Please come to visit my garden. I love my garden. Activity 9. This is a fun time activity. You have visited your school garden and seen different kinds of plants, shrubs and trees. This grid has the names of different parts of tree. Look for these words: bud, pod, leaf, stem, roots, thorns, branches and flowers as fast as you can, vertically, horizontally and diagonally. मतलब आपको ये जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं ना, ये इस बॉक्स में से ढूंढने हैं, जितनी जल्दी आप ढूंढ सके, वर्टिकली, हॉरिजॉन्टली एंड डायगोनली. मूव टू द आंसर्स. You can see here the answers. Let's talk. Do you have a garden at home? ये आपको मुझे बताना है. कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए. Name some flowers which grow in your garden or near your house. You can write any of the flowers' name. Give another word for thirsty feet. Thirsty feet का मतलब होता है रूट, जहाँ पे हम प्लांट्स को पानी देते हैं. रूट, ROOT, रूट. Move to the activity 10. Read this poem. To some of you, a bunch of plants may not be special in any way, but to me, flowers are beautiful. They calm me down like my best friend. मतलब कि आप में से किसी के लिए शायद प्लांट्स स्पेशल नहीं होंगे, लेकिन मेरे लिए फ्लावर्स बहुत ही स्पेशल है. वो मुझे मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड की तरह काम डाउन, शांत करते हैं. Their scent is so nice. It may seem they make me feel so happy as if I am in a dream. मुझे उसकी स्मेल, सेंट बहुत ही पसंद है और वो मुझे बहुत खुश कर देती है, जैसे कि मैं सपने में खुश हो जाता हूँ. Whenever I am sad, the flowers sing like birds. They do not just sit there. They speak a million words. मैं जब भी दुखी होती हूँ, फ्लावर्स गाना गाते हैं बर्ड्स की तरह, और वो सिर्फ बैठे नहीं रहते, वो मिलियंस ऑफ वर्ड्स के साथ मेरे साथ बातें करते हैं। एनोनाइम्स मतलब कि ये पोयम किसने लिखी है उसका नाम नहीं पता, इसलिए इसका पोएट कोई नहीं है, तो एनोनाइम्स लिखते हैं। फ्लावर्स मीन अ लॉट फॉर द चाइल्ड हु सिंग्स लाइक सॉन्ग ऑफ फ्लावर्स। नाउ राइट योर ओवन फ्लावर पोएम यूजिंग योर ओवन वर्ड्स इन द ब्लैंक्स। आपको ये फिल करना है आपकी अपनी पोएम बना के। लेट्स मूव टू द आंसर्स। To me, flowers are beautiful. They calm me down like my best friend. Their scent is so nice. It makes me feel so happy. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates. And don't forget to share it with your friends. Bye bye.